Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing another Halloween look for you guys. My last one was SFX, so this one's going to be just makeup, and I'm going to be doing a vampire look. I will be kind of following picturesque Regina's look that she did a year ago. Here's a picture of the video right here. So yeah, let's just get started. We're going to start out with the face makeup today, making my face look very pale. So to start, I'm going to just prime my face with the Benefit Professional Face Primer. Okay, I'm going to quickly clean up my eyebrows off camera and then we can start on the face. So since vampires have very light skin tones, I'm going to be mixing in my ColourPop No Filter Concealer with their foundation because it is lighter. And I'm really just going to try to keep the darker foundation around the edges of my face. Going to blend this out using my Morphe M439 brush. Now I'm just going to put a dab of concealer underneath my eyes, just a tiny little bit, and some in my highlighting areas too. I'm just blending this out with a Morphe M173 brush, by the way. While I'm here, I'm going to use that same brush and prime my eyes using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Now with a Morphe M527 brush, I'm going to set my face with translucent powder. For my under eye, I'm going to use a Morphe E48 brush. Alright, for the eyes, we're going to try to make them look like sleepy, sunken in, like bloodshot kinda. So I'm going to just use a Morphe M518 brush and a gray eyeshadow from the Icy Fantasy palette, also from Morphe. I'm really putting that deep in the eye socket and blending it out towards the nose. I'm also going to put this underneath my eye a little bit as well. Now I'm going to take the darker gray and deepen up the eye socket even more and underneath the eyes as well. Now on a M433 brush, I'm going to dip into a red shade from the Morphe X James Charles palette and begin putting that in my eye socket as well. Dipping into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to take a Morphe M506 brush in the shade Red Ochre and pack that underneath my eye closest to my waterline. I'm going to take that same shade on a flat M124 brush and put that on my lash line on the top lid. I'm going to go back in with those grays and a little bit of brown too and deepen it up. Now on a fine little liner brush, I'm going to take a red liquid lipstick and put this in my waterline and emphasize it right here in my inner corner. And I'm going to put it on my lash line on top as well. I'm going to smoke out the top liner with a little bit of that same red from the James Charles palette. And I'm going to be heavily putting this underneath my eyes as well, because red underneath my eyes make my eyes look red, and that's what we want. Now for the rest of the face, I'm going to contour using my Morphe E4 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit, and then I'm going to add some grays in there as well. I'm going to contour my nose with a Morphe E62 brush in those same colors. On our gray brush, I'm lightly going to put a dark purple in our crease and under the eye as well. I'm going to put some red mascara underneath my eyes. This one's just by ColourPop. I'm just going to lightly put mascara on my top lashes. Now for the lips. I'm going to start by putting a red lipstick inside the center of my lips, and that's going to be Liverpool by NYX. Then I'm going to put Jakarta, also by NYX, again in the middle, but not blend it out as much. I'm going to put Daring Night again in the center. I'm going to take the Jakarta lip liner and just lightly line my lips, like right over here and on the cupid's bow and underneath, just to give a little bit of definition. Okay, now here's the fun part. I'm going to be making fangs out of fake nails. So what you're going to want to do is get a fake nail and size it up to whatever tooth you're going to put the fang on. I haven't brushed my teeth yet, so I'm sorry if my teeth look gross, but whatever. So you just size them up and then take a pair of scissors or nail files and shape them into fangs. Alright, I just finished making my fangs. Now I'm going to show you guys how to stick them. So first you're going to want to make sure your teeth are very dry. Try not to rub off the lipstick. Once your teeth are dry, you're going to take a little bit of denture glue and just put it right here on the back of the nail and then put it on. You only need a tiny little bit. Here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you don't miss out when I upload. Be safe, wear your masks, be kind to each other, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!